Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Deconstruct Vitamin C Serum, 10% vitamin C plus 0.5% ferulic acid. Available on the Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Smitten and on the Deconstruct website too. The full-sized product have the price 799 rupees and quantity is 30 ml. I had bought this for 2 trial points from the trial section of the Smitten application. The quantity is 10 ml. This is trial sized product and non-sponsored video. Vitamin C inhibits tyrosinase activity to provide a brightening effect. Ferulic acid is an antioxidant which prevents sun damage by suppressing the free radicals. 10% vitamin C and 0.5% ferulic acid functions well together towards limiting the expression of tyrosinase, which will provide the brightening effect. Let's see the features. Anti-pigmentation, dark spots, acne marks, reduced marks, antioxidant, sun damage, and pigmentation. This is cruelty-free, dermatologically tested, paraben-free, fragrance-free, made in India product. Let's see how to use. Apply 2 to 3 drops onto the dry skin after cleansing. Use fingertips to spread it evenly across the face until it gets absorbed. Follow up with the moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning. Can be used in the AM and PM routine. Here is my review. I have oily, sensitive, acne-prone skin. This 10 ml of serum I have used. It didn't tingle, no burning sensation. Didn't tingle around mouth area too. Gave me that instant glowy look, but after a week I have observed some breakouts on my cheeks. Breakout occurs in the cheek area only, and I had heard that if breakout occurs in the cheek area, then that's mostly due to the product doesn't suits. So maybe this serum didn't suit to my skin. On that time only the serum was different in my skincare routine. Weather was humid. I can't blame the product directly, but yes, I have doubt on this serum that in long run it gave many breakouts. Will I going to buy the full size product? No. If I didn't got these breakouts, then I was really happy. But now I won't buy this again. Ingredients are looks so simple in this. You can have a look on the Nykaa page. Not so many ingredients, but still this broke me out. I have stored this in the refrigerator so it will not get oxidized. It remains the same as it was, no oxidation. It gives a dewy finish, non-sticky, non-greasy, runny, liquidy consistency, yellow in color, but quite heavy. I mean, little bit heavy on my skin. It looks like it doesn't get absorbed well into the skin. You can try if you want. That's my honest review. Please share which vitamin C suits to your skin, and please mention the skin type, whether normal, oily or dry combination. It will be really interesting. And please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.